It doesn't make sense. Angihlanyi mina. Lalela ngoJuly our great king uMisizulu uhambile waya eUK kunezithombe ezivelile whereby behle nama elites esign contracts. And then ngo-October same year lo nyaka lo waphindwa wahamba waye eDubai Arab wayosayina icontract neking yaseDubai. Angihlanyi mina, there are pictures. Lalela la eSouth Africa the Zulu nation ibusy isifocuse ku ungizwe ubusy weyisa the rainbow community uyangenelela uDominic. It's all a game but we are being fooled. Yekani ukuba misdirected, yekani whilst kwenzeke yonke lento in the background zibuza ukuthi kwenzekalani. What are they hiding? Because ngitshenile ukuthi whenever there's something etrendayo usually khona abayifihlayo emuva, and this was lento abayifihlayo. Our great king ibihamba sign ama contracts. What was he selling? What was he saying? Ungayibuzi the wrong question, because umuntu omnyama uzoyibuza the wrong question athi what did we benefit as isizwe sakaZulu? No, that's the wrong question. No, mhlawumbe mina ohlanyana. The real question is what did we lose? Ubeyodayisana eUK, ubeyodayisana eArab ukuthi azahlale neking yaseDubai. No. Yeah, and yabona futhi kule as much as I want to dig for the information, I can't, because nami go wakaZulu, and we cannot question Ubayete. We can never question our great king. We can never question isinqumo sithathayo. Nkosi yami ngiyacela, teka anyone omthembile like TikTok, teka anyone omaziyo ukuthi he or she can be impartial uzoyenza investigation, I find out kwenzekalani, because let's connect the dots. Siyeke indaba yangizwe nokweyisa the rainbow community, siyeke indaba ya Dominic, yonke lento leave it behind because it is all a distraction. Let's focus entweni eyenzekala njengamanje. Understand ukuthi wahamba wayosayina eUK, wahamba wayosayina eArab, fine. After that tuku wow, imayini lele lapha eMzumbe seliyasebenza. After that tuku hayibo iport yaseDurban akuseseyona yethu manje. It's been auctioned off for an amount engango 9.5 billion. What did we lose? We cannot question our great king. Ubayete, we cannot question Ubayete. Ngeke angisoze mina ngenze lonto leyo azongishaya amaphinga.